If you want to go live on Instagram but don't see the option, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do step by step. Just follow along carefully and you'll be ready to go live in no time. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Now, scroll all the way down until you find Account Type and Tools and tap on it. Next, select Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will guide you through a short setup process. Start by choosing a category that best describes your account, then tap Switch. After that, you'll be asked to choose between a creator or a business account. Go ahead and select Creator, tap Next, and then close the setup by tapping the X icon in the top right corner. Now head back to your Instagram profile. If everything was done correctly, you should see the professional dashboard at the top. This confirms that your account is now a professional account, which is required to go live. Next, let's start the live process. Tap the plus icon at the top of your screen. From the options that appear, look for Live and select it. If you don't see the Live option here, this usually means your account doesn't meet Instagram's requirement yet. To go live, Instagram requires you to have at least 1,000 followers. Once you reach that number, the Live option will automatically appear. When you do see the Live option, tap the Live button at the bottom of the screen. Instagram will start a short countdown, and as soon as it ends, you'll be live on Instagram. And that's it. After following these steps, you should be able to go live without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips.